Hi and welcome to Port Fairy. Originally known as Belfast, settled by the Irish, this became a whaling district. So we're going to spend the next couple of days exploring the little town centre, little village of Port Fairy, and having a look at its architecture. There's some quaint cottages around. Alright, come along and join us.
Good morning, Peter here. I'm with Jojo and we're at Port Fairy. That's in the Shire of Moyne. If it looks like I've slept 5 hours, it's because I've slept 5 hours. And we all got up at 4 o'clock this morning to leave at 5 and we're now here to enjoy the Easter break. And we're catching up with Spoonie, so it's called Port Fairy. There must be a port. I think there are a few ferries as well. So let's have a look.
And the crowd are eating fish and chips by the sea.
No fish, just chips, Joe.
Oh, sorry, just chips.
Times like 51. We've been walking for hours and we've come across this nice little example of early colonial 1854 architecture. It's still preserved very nicely, and the trees and the streetscape of Port Fairy are lovely. They've got lovely Norfolk Island pines, so something to meander under and enjoy your day. Now, to my left here we have Uniting Church, but they only united because they were a hodgepodge of other churches and they had to come together. But the church in itself is not a bad example. It's probably something like Wesleyan or Presbyterian, but they call it Uniting today. Over to you, Stuart.
Today we're at Poco, Artisan Ice Cream Parlour in downtown Port Fairy. Mine is double shot. What was that one? Melon.
Fruits of the forest.
Fruits of the forest.
And choc vanilla.
Dairy
the vanilla
free.
a bit like me.
And Joe, show us yours in front of the camera.
Pistachio and orange blossom. Oh! That's not fair. Okay.
Yum.
Enjoy, guys.
Bye. Until tomorrow.